Ooh, hello my friend. This is your boy Colton Havens, Denver, Colorado. Checking out the skate park. I was about to meet my brother for lunch downtown. Right, you guys just know it's about that time. I know you're hungry, because this is where you come to get your brain food, baby. Yeah. I'm just curious, what's the things holding you back? What's the one thing holding you from getting to where you are, where you want to be, from where you are to where you want to be? Okay, what's the one thing? All right, right here, skateboarding is an excellent example of someone coming in, dropping in, wanting to do a quick trick. Right, what do you think the thought process of someone that's a good skateboarder is going to be when they're going in for a trick? Right, they're going in, I'm going to do a simple kick flip. Okay, right over the rail here. I'm going to imagine it, I'm going to go and do it. Right, I'm gonna picture it before I go and do it, but I picture me completing the kickflip or completing the jump, right? But the reality is, most of the time, you're not gonna make it. You're not gonna complete it the first time. No, heck, you're not even gonna complete it the first 10 times. How many times these guys learn? I can't even do a kickflip, and I've been trying for years. But you know, I'm not dedicated enough like these guys are. But you know, it's our thought pattern going into the process. Before we take out, before we start, before you started your business, right? Or when you're telling other people about your business, you're gonna hear a lot of things of, you know, what if I can't? What if I can't? They're gonna. A lot of people love to tell you the reasons why they can't do something. They'll go on and on and on about the reasons why they can't accomplish something. If someone here wanted to do a kickflip and they focused solely on all the reasons why they couldn't do it, how successful do you think they would be at landing it? Okay, now my question is, where is your thought pattern on your business? Are you trying to find all the reasons why you're not making the revenue that you're wanting to make? Are you trying to find out all the reasons why it was someone else's fault? Or are you going to take that finger, point it back at yourself, and take full responsibility of where you are? I'm sure these guys take full responsibility that they didn't land the trick. They're not going to blame it on the rail, at least the good ones. Anybody that's good or great, blaming it on the circumstance or the rail or your skateboard isn't going to make you any better. Okay, my friend, don't blame it on the vehicle. You are the only factor that changes this. All right? Go ahead and tap that share button once you got your brain food for the day. That's for everybody else that's still hungry. Tonight, tune in for the training session. We're going to be doing who is your perfect customer. We're going to go over why you want your perfect customer. Let me ask you this. If you could find a bunch of people that are your perfect customer that's going to buy today, that's going to buy all the upsells, would you rather have that person and then everybody else? Right? Type yes down there in the comment if that's you, and I'm going to see you tonight. All right. I love y'all. Peace.